hakasan hima. Kikubor ki babnia. Ka Presiden Kari ka Draupadi Murmu kan penkup ya ka khusnam Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar Arhajar Arpulai Shaki Khatwe ngut ki khanna ha ka jing penkup buram ka ban long ha New Delhi la shai ka sngi. Na pedeng kini ki nong yo khusnam o wan lambok rani but formi Khongjo na Meghalaya ki la sha ajiet ban yo ka khusnam National Bravery Award. La jiet ya kini ki arngut na mar ka jing shlur jongki ban pelaj im ya ki we na ka jingam jelop ha ki artli ki jaka kata ha yam berksyat krem hagi por beladep. Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi saya keren bat kini kinong yo khusnam. La ban kedau hang ni baka sarkar ka jupen kop ya kini ka khusnam na ka benta ki khenna na do kertasan hadu khat prasnem na mar ki kam bakrau jongki. Man la kinong yo khusnam kin yo ya katakma ka pisa ka basilak tingka bat ka certificate. Palat Shipo Point Nyopua Lakting Kala Yok Ban Kurup Daki Bor Penyai District Ha East Giant Hills District Hashwa Kajing Penlong Ye Kajing Jet Nong Mikmat Shaka Yeng Dorbar Thau An Kajilla Kaban Salong Ha Ka Arpunyau Tarik Urempang U Chief Electoral Officer Uba FR Kharkongor Ulayathu Bahinin Kasngi La Yok Ban Le Yakani Kajing Kurup Ha Kashnong Kiang Hapo Sutengah Saipung Constituency Kipulit kilayo ban kerup shwa I waypoint prapsan laktingka hadian kade kilayo ban kerup biang sa R point praspa nyopsan laktingka bat nang ta layo ban kerup biang pat sa hamriu laktingka haga khat khandai tarik ukala lengkot. Ka National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT Shillong menakasngi thok ding jong katayo kala rakhe ya ka 38 Foundation Day. Ya ka jing rakhe la penlong ha NIFT campus Sauli Maupat ha Shillong. La penlong ru ya ka jing thung ding ha phalau jong ka NIFT bat la don ru ya ka jing akop draw rangoli shondur ka jing ya pen khuat ya ka jaka bat ka jing pen I ya ki program pen I la riti.
Foundation Day is having its own importance if you think from the organization point of view. It's one of the motivating factor. Our students, our faculty members can share, can show their extracurricular activities. That's why the reason the Foundation Day is being celebrated in each of the campus from this year onwards.
Kajilla Meghalaya kala pendep bantung yaki saus pangut ki doktor kumju ru yaki tu ki bladep ban pentebet yaladi ya kade kajing thong kam ladep ban le tang hapo shibnai nadu bladep ban bu yaka Medical Services Recruitment Board Menteri Rang Ba Kajilla Konrad ke sangma ulayathu bakane kan yarap ban weng yaka jing duna doktor hakijaka sumar kumki health centers hakaleng ki benta jongka Meghalaya la ban kedau hangne badang shen ladep ban soy yaka soskular yas ngau tho jingmut bat ka sarkar Tamil Nadu hakaba on pa yaki doktor na Meghalaya shakane Kajilla bashathe kari India nakabenta ban hikai bat pentebet shu yaki hakakam. Mentapat nganyapet ya kajing long jingman kasun meneng ha Shillong. Kajing shit kalong kan real point lai degree Celsius, bar kajing kriat kalong saw point lai degree Celsius. Kajing ngem ka haw kalong, saw punyaw na kashi spa min step, ban real pua na kashi spa janmit. Kasun meneng kan rang bat terkhong habun ki jaka. Hashwa bangin penkut no ngi penkan maya pi bayakan ka khubor na lor ka bapi yo I haki television pilaru ban pet live haka YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong nakabenta ki khubor ba man la kasngi pilaru ban pet ya ka khubor jong ka DD News Shillong haka Instagram Facebook bat Twitter Shwaban poi ka pakut jong ka thup khubor ngi pet biang sa shi sian ni kimat ba kongsan On penkup khusnam National Bravery Award Arhajar Arpulai Shaki Khatwe ngut ki khenna ha New Delhi la shai kasngi arngut na Meghalaya na pedeng ki ban yo khusnam Yo kurup pisa na East Giant Hills District hashwa ka jingjet nong mikmat shaka yeng dor bar thau an ka jilla kaban salong shen la pen perking yaki jingpet perman Pendep ka Meghalaya ban thungkam yaki saus pa ngut ki doktor ha ka shibnai ban pendap yaki jingduna doktor batibit But what lada ka Meghalaya ka degi jilla bashib jat na ka kami hanre ka jingdon jong ki nong mi khmat ken thei ka duna ha ka san hima De parlok katung ila poi shaka bakut jong ka thup khubor jungi menta ka janmit hadu bangin de syambiang bat phila sha ka sngi kublei pi baro
wave can cause loss and devastation to crops if appropriate measures are not taken in time. Due to extreme cold and dense fog, crops can get attacked by insects, resulting in fungal diseases, cold injury, and late blight disease. Meteorological departments' advance warnings and agromet advisories can help you plan to protect your crops. During a cold wave, apply light and frequent irrigation and create smoke cover over the field overnight. Low tunnel technique can provide protection. Protect plants from cold wind by covering with hole-free polythene sheets. They should not touch the plants. Wetting the soil before covering provides the best protection. Keep fields weed-free to get adequate sunlight and heat the soil during daytime. For more help, call the Kisan Call Center and download the Meghalaya app on your smartphone. Be prepared. Protect your crops. Issued in public interest by NDMA and IIPHG. Cold waves can be dangerous.
Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Trentle. Here's a look at today's headlines. National Bravery Award 2023 to be conferred to 11 children in New Delhi tomorrow. 2 Meghalaya youth among awardees. Money seized in East Jainte Hills district ahead of upcoming assembly elections. Strict vigilance in place. Meghalaya completes recruitment of 400 medical doctors in 1 month to overcome shortage of medical specialists. And matrilineal Meghalaya at crossroads as women remain underrepresented in state politics. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu will confer the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2023 to 11 children at an award ceremony in New Delhi tomorrow. Among the awardees, one Lombok Rani and Formik Kongjo from Meghalaya have been selected for the National Bravery Award. The duo will receive recognition for showing utmost courage to save persons from drowning at 2 different places at Umyam and Kashad Umkrem in the past. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also slated to interact with the awardees. It may be noted that the government confers this award to children in the age group